Okay, we're on to Module 2 already, and I think this one is the students' favorite because they like that they can make presentations and have fun being creative doing it. So we're looking at PowerPoint, of course. There are other versions of presentation software. It isn't the only one by any means. I know that Google has one of their own, and there's one called Prezi that my students really like. The thing about Prezi, when you do a PowerPoint, it's very linear. I start at slide A, B, C, D, E, F, and continuing on in a straight line basically. But Prezi gives you a canvas that you can go in any direction. It's kind of cool, but a warning, if you go check it out, and I suggest that you do, it can give you the kind of feeling that you're on a roller coaster, and it makes some people nauseous. So you want to keep the animations to a minimum. PowerPoint does animations too, but not in the same way. It affects the way the slides open and close and transition. So here's some examples from the new PowerPoint page, just so you could see some of the things that you can do. It's always nice to at least have some type of graphics in your presentation so that it's not just white with black ink, which is kind of boring. You might lose your audience. So we're ready to get started. I hope you enjoy it. Like I said, I think this is the students' favorite module of this class. Be a little creative and have a little fun.